Thank you so much, parents. You can now receive your award from the hall. Do not move. Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to end this program. With utmost concentration and correct posture are the students depicting the warm-up exercises. Just 5 years old, depicting you all the most adoptable way to... Fathers, you will stop over there. So your main task is to quickly fix the bag, take the water bottle and run and stop there. Okay, understood? Are we ready? On your mark. No, you can't.
लड़की ने तब भी प्रोग्राम करा देश के लिए बुलाया
So we have the winners.
अच्छा लड़की को लेके दौड़ेंगे
So the first to come in this race are Advik and Pankti, second Zafira Manan, and third Shubhi and Navdeep. I now request parents of class kindergarten to please be on the ground. Class nursery, I'm sorry. Parents of class nursery to be on the ground.
जाओ जैकेट ले आओ जैकेट ले आओ जैकेट ले आओ पापा की
ले
जैकेट
पापा की
जाओ जाओ बाकी जाओ
क्या लिया
Okay, so we have KG parents with us. It is a very interesting race.
ये क्या होगा स्कूल में
Nursery class parents, please be on the field.
ये क्या होगा
Do you all know it takes so much effort on parents' behalf to get their kids ready for school? Our parents not only help us bathe but also help us set our bag, prepare our lunch and fill our water bottle. Well, I have only seen my mother do this, but I think it will be so much fun watching fathers pack bags for their kids and participate in this race. So the rules of this race are very simple. Fathers will be at the starting point of the race. Okay, I think we should all settle first and then I'll tell the rules.
अच्छा बच्चे को खाना के
Already a part of other races. So we will miss out the sprinter races. We can have them later.
यहाँ क्या करने लड़के बच्चे को बताइए
Okay, so we are ready with the final round of the participants. Okay, we are ready. On your mark, get set, go. And the boys are running for the final round of the race. And let's see who wins. And the parents are cheering their kids, and I think we have the winners with us. Congratulations to the winners. I'll quickly now request.
मैंने कहा यूँ करा था कि फिर दिखा देगा
Okay, be ready? Boys, be ready. On your mark. Get set. Go. Power is so excited to hold hands with the honeybee. And we have a loud cheer for our kids. And they did brilliantly well.
अब इसमें वही है
Okay, we are ready. On your mark. Get set. Go. I think we do have the qualifying round winners. 6 Lavanya Daksh, 7 Ahana Kavyam. This will take place in 3 rounds and then the final round will be done. Okay, are we ready?
सेकंड बार
The honeybees are taking their time. Okay, on your mark, boys, be ready. On your mark, get set, go. Come on, boys, run. You have to run the fastest. Hold your partner's hand and run, please. We have to run as quickly as possible towards the finishing point. Okay, I think we have the qualifying winners. The winner will us. Okay, so now we're truly amazed to see them.
अच्छा आप उधर होगी है
आस्तीन इनको ऊपर कर देना चाहिए
वो
पानी का काम शिवांश बोलते हैं ना
शिवांश था नाम बोला तो था शिवांश
Okay, so the first to come is Arav Patel.
तो आपका इसी में अभी अब इसमें और दूसरे कौन कराओगे
नहीं
I request Aditya sir to felicitate the winners, Aditya sir and Aparna ma'am. First is Arav Patel.
फर्स्ट से आएगा कब से आएगा
Second, Swastika.
एक क्लास
And third, Sharanya.
एनसी में वो देखिए जी ने
Dear parents, we would appreciate if we can move forward quickly as our kids are already standing on the field.
खरगोश आ गए क्या है
वो लड़कियां पहनी वैसी ड्रेस है
Kudos to all the winners. Congratulations.
उसकी ऐसी ड्रेस है ही नहीं
Do you know anything about
वो
Zumba?
लड़का जा रही है
Well, grooving to the beats of salsa, music feels more like a dance party than a workout, which is exactly what makes Zumba so popular. It is a high energy dance set to the upbeat music and dance numbers that you might see in a nightclub. It is super fun.
मिल रहा था ना
So everyone, it's time to watch a little pre-nursery students teach you all the way to stay fit through their Zumba performance. And let us all say, we love Zumba. A loud cheer for our pre-nursery students.
You're a good soldier, choosing your battle. Pick yourself up and dust yourself off and back in the saddle. You're on the front line, everyone's watching.
Parents, please, a loud cheer for them.
So this isn't over. The pressure's on, you feel it. You got it all, believe it. When you fold it up, if you fold it up, cause this is Africa. This time for Africa.
practicing, getting tanned and sweating, so that the final show becomes the best. So I think till the time we have the kids, we will felicitate the parents first. So the first to come in the parents' race are the parents of Shri. The first to come in the parents' race are the parents of Shri.
एक रेस वाली भी थी इससे पहले
वाटर बॉटल वाली नहीं
बोतल वाली भी था पानी बनने वाली भी हाँ तो वो हो गया अभी
Parents of Shri are requested to be there.
अभी एक रेस और होगी
Second to come are there's a tie between the parents of Ojas and Aranya.
लेकिन थोड़ा हेल्दी है ना पतला
वाला पतला वाला
The third to come are the parents of Om Pathak.
वो तो
Okay, so we have first parents of Shri, second is a tie between parents of Ojas and Aranya, and third Om. Parents of Om Pathak. Congratulations to all the parents. You were amazing. I must tell you, it was such an amazing view to watch. What a spirit you guys exhibited. We absolutely loved it. Okay, I think we are ready. Kudos to the parents. We are so proud of you, I must tell you. And please don't fall. Okay, are we ready? Teachers are there to help you. On your mark. Get set.
वहाँ तक जाएंगे
Go.
ये लोग कहाँ जाएंगे वहाँ तक जाएंगे
A huge round of applause for the parents. This is an amazing view. Look at the teamwork. Look at the spirit. So much to admire and learn from them. Out of 33 students, the parents of just 8 students came up, and look at their spirit. Go! Kindergarten students to come up on the ground. First 10 couples to come will be participating in the race. And I think we have the final winners with us. Okay, so parents of kindergarten students, please be on the field. First 10 parents to come on. Okay, so for the fourth round we have Ojas, second track Rudransh, third track Shavya, fourth Shivansh, fifth Shaurya Srivastava, 6th, Shaurya Verma. 7th, Rajyavardhan. 8th, Imaz. And 9th, Saksham. Just a moment till the time track gets ready. Okay, so are we ready? You're ready. On your mark, get set, go. Come on, parents, cheer for your more as they run into this hurdle race. Be careful going. In the meanwhile, can we have the final participants ready for the final race? So the list of the final participants, we have Saranya, Pihu, third track Anand Kamal, fourth track Harshit Kumar, fifth track Jalak Dikshit, track 6
वो मैं है बकरिया का है
It is very important for the students to learn. The boys all set for the round. Show them as much energy as they are exhibiting right now.
सही है गिरे ना कोई बात नहीं।
Cheer girls stepping on the bricks, running quickly towards the hula hoop, and their cute little Gyan Fiesta t-shirts, crossing the fence. Be careful, our little champs. Now the trickiest part. No matter how quick you are, if you do not fill that water bottle completely, you will not win the race. So they have to fill the water bottle completely and then run towards the finishing point. I request the parents to not be on the field while the performance is taking place. Look how patiently these girls are filling the water bottle. And let's see who finishes first. They all have been informed that they have to fill the water bottle completely. Okay, and I think few of them did. We have the qualifying round for the first round. We have the qualifying participants. They're very generous to come back too, but they were not supposed to. But their bidding was very you can see their spirit. They were ready to do it twice.
Mission is with himself. That I am really grateful for this opportunity to visit today's event and go back in my own times, which is very nostalgic and very energetic. I'm feeling after coming and observing all these coordinated activities and the sports and the athletic events that the children as well as their parents who are working so hard to provide them the best education and the physical part of it were themselves. It was heartening to see even the parents participate in the events along with their children. As I'll be very brief, seeing these kids, I cannot help thinking that they are so talented.
A huge round of applause for the winners. What a proud moment for the parents and the kids. The sun is being very generous on us today. We request the audience to keep themselves hydrated. Our little kids are on the field for their another performance. Hey kids, why are you singing this song? What will the guests think?
Ma'am, it's time to have our nursery kids dance to the groove of this super hit dance number. Hence, I cannot stop singing it.
Really? That is amazing. Audience, get ready to watch a super talented nursery kids dance and welcome them with a huge round of applause.
What's going on?
Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. 낮에는 따사로운 인간적인 여자, 커피 한 잔에 여유를 아는 품격 있는 여자, 밤이 오면 심장이 뜨거워지는 여자, 그런 반전 있는 여자. 너는 선호해. 낮에는 너만 따사로운 더 선호해. 커피 식기도 전에 원샷 때리는 선호해. 오빤 강남스타일 강남스타일 오빤 강남스타일
हेलो हाँ जी कौन हेलो
That was a brilliant performance by the students of class nursery.
किनका इनका काली वाली बंदी की था यार
Can we have a huge
नहीं,
round
हम
of
तो बड़ी जा
applause
रहे
for
थे।
all of them?
इस समय मिल जाएंगे वहाँ पे काली वाली मंदिर की तरफ है काली वाली मंदिर है ना खिल्ली बाग में नहीं थे काली वाली मंदिर के सामने हाँ 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 बबलू गुप्ता नाम है थोड़ा मैं मीटिंग में हूँ मैं मीटिंग में हूँ
Now, I would like to request Colonel Sachin Sharma Parents, I think you should put your ward down. So when we say go, that's when you pick up the child. So if you keep your daughters and son on the ground, yes. And when the race starts, that's when you have to pick them up and run. Okay, that's okay, we can make an exception. Okay, we are ready. On your mark. On your mark. Get set. Go. Come on, mothers. Pick up your wand and run towards your father. All of you to watch. Everyone, please clap for them. They're working so hard for their kids. What a beautiful race to watch. It's okay. The student has to be on the feet of the child. Please ensure that the student is on the feet of the child. But the mothers are holding the kid and taking. Now the ward will be taken to the father. Please ensure the ward is on your feet. Everyone, a huge round of applause for our parents. Let's see who wins. What a spirit shown by the parents. We are so proud of you, dear parents. A huge round of applause for them till we see who actually wins. Okay, and I think we have the winners with us. To their fathers on their feet. Kids will then be given to fathers on their feet, who will take their ward to the finishing point. The one who reaches first wins. But if at any point the student is not on the feet of the parent, they have to stop there and then and can only resume the race by bringing the student on the feet again. Are the rules clear to the Give your best, parents. Cheer up for your ward as we begin with this final round of the Carrot and Bunny race. Are we ready? Ready. Okay. On your mark, get set, go. And the girls I think we have the clear winners. They have to run towards the end point. And we have the winners with us. A huge round of applause for our kids. There is a parent race after that. I would now like to request the following parents to kindly come forward and be on the racing track. So they are the parents of pre-nursery class students. I would request parents of Kunj Agarwal, Mrs. Garima Agarwal and Mr. Sunny Agarwal to please come on the track. This race will be done in 3 rounds, and then the qualifying participants of the 3 rounds will run for the final win. So please show your support as we have on track 1, Sanvi and Shlok, track 2, Kritika and Jalaj, track 3, Astha and Arush, track 4, Anuvi Pranav, track 5, Saji Akshay, track 6, Arohi Athar, track 7, Vedika Lakshay, track 8, Arya Hamdan. And our students are ready for this race. Parents, while they run, you must all cheer for them, for your ward and for others. Are we ready?
भागेगा बाबू मत देख
On your mark,
बाबू देखना ही मत नहीं भागेगा
get set, go. Here are the balls running with a carrot in their hand towards the boys. Let's see who qualifies for the final round. The cheer should not stop coming from the parents. And I think we have selected the first two that will be qualifying for the final round. A huge clapping for all of them. They did pretty well with all their energy. And let's see and wait what happens in the final round. Meanwhile, we have the participants of the second round getting ready. Let me tell you all, these are the students of class 3 nursery and they age between 3 to 4 years only. Look at this spirit. We can all learn from them. Now we are ready with the second round of the race. In track 1, we have Neha and Riyansh. Track 2, we have Riza and Kian. Track 3, we have Dilreet and Anshuman. Track 4, we have Prisha and Dhanraj. Track 5, we have Atiksha and Anharan. Track 6, Khyati and Adan. Track 7, Shivanya and Neet. And track 8, Varnika and Ravindra. Our little bunnies and our cute little girls are ready for this second round of race. The teacher is working very hard to bring the kids under control. So I think we're going to begin shortly with this amazing race. But wait, let's wait for the carrots. What are the bunnies going to eat? They're all so excited for this. They all have been prepping for this since so long, and the final day has finally arrived. The girls are so willingly taking their carrot, ready for the race. And the boys have to run the fastest. Are we ready? On your mark. Get set. Go. And look at these girls running so fast with a rabbit carrot in their hand with the bunny, and the bunnies are running very, very quickly. with the class. We haven't shortlisted any students before. So there's this whole class that's present here with utmost zeal and enthusiasm to participate. Right after this round, we shall have with us our chief guest, Colonel Sachin Sharma, shortly. I think we should quickly have this round and then welcome our chief guest. Okay, so in the third round we have Navya and Kunj, Kushmita Ansh, Athar Ridan, Sparsh Naman, Uzair Anand, Abhay Astitya and Darsh Jalaj. A third round of carrot and bunny race is ready to take place. Are you ready? Okay, we are ready. On your mark, get set, go. The girls running towards their partners. Come on, parents. Show some cheer for your ward. Carrots are running towards the end. I think there's one bunny who's just going to run. Participation is all that matters. It is so amazing to see these small kids know the concept of the race and participate so enthusiastically. Now, while the teachers arrange the students for the final round, so the final round will tell us the winners. Let us all gear up for a striking beginning of the show as we present before you cute little kids of class playgroup with their sizzling aerobics performance. All of you, please welcome them with a huge round of applause. Let me tell the audience that the kids that stand in front of you on the field are just 2 to 3 years old. Dear parents, this is to inform you that the whole event is being covered with videography and photography. We request the parents not to come in front to click the photographs as we shall be providing you with all the photographs. Please show your support with us. Our teachers will be there on the ground to supervise the kids. So once again, a huge round of applause for class playgroup students. Parents, please don't wave your kids. They are very small, they will start running towards you. You are genuinely requested to be seated. Please do not wave your kids. They are very, very small, they will start coming towards you. Our teachers and our students have worked very hard. We want you to cooperate with us. Okay, now we are ready.
Welcome, little action kids. Join in.
I'm gonna reach up high and sing out loud. I'm gonna jump and clap 'cause I feel real proud. Hang about, arms out, toop-a-toppa, toop-a-toppa, toop-a-toppa. I said toop-a-toppa, toop-a-toppa, toop-a-toppa. I'm gonna reach up high and sing out loud. I'm gonna jump
Say yeah, yeah. Back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up. Back it up, 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 back it up. Give me more, give me more, give me more, come on. We like to party, party. We like to party, party. We like to party, party. We like to move it, move it. He like to move it, move it. They like to move it, move it, move it, move it, move it, move it, move it.
Wow. That was an amazing performance by students of class playgroup telling us all that exercise can be so much fun.
आवाज यार देख के बात
Plebera con la papaya.
सामने वाले हेलीकॉप्टर
So the kids did tell us that it's never
Rajkumar Agarwal ji to hoist the pride of our nation, our national flag. Please join us in hoisting our national flag and show our respects towards the same.
लोकेशन
विवेकानंद डेंटल कॉलेज
I would request everyone present in the audience
उसके
to
सामने
kindly
विद्या भवन
stand
स्कूल
up
है सामने
as we
विद्या भवन
shall
स्कूल
be
सामने
moving
बोलो
forward with the
विद्या
national
भवन
anthem
Vidya
after the
Bhavan.
hoisting of the national flag.
सामने
बोर्ड लगाओ कि बोर्ड लगाओ नस्ल फ्लैग वो खड़ा होना भाई मैं खड़ा हो नस्ल फ्लैग खड़ा नहीं होता
Can we have a huge round of applause for our guest of honor and our chief guest as they come forward to hoist the nation's pride, our national flag.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
भारत माता की भारत माता की भारत माता की The torch and the sports flame are the greatest symbols of sports. It ignites the passion of sporting spirit. The flame represents the endeavor for protection and struggle for victory. But before we ignite the flame, we have on the field present the members of the management and our dearest chief guest as they declare the event open. Please, everyone, a huge round of applause as the balloons flying in the sky is a symbol of declaring the event Gyan Fiesta open. I request the chief guest and our guest of honor to please stay there as we light the torch lamp as marking of the auspicious beginning of the show. I request Vishwajit sir to kindly assist in the lighting of the torch.
पॉपल मेमोरी बचा ले
नहीं नहीं
थोड़ा लंबा है ना बहुत है। बोलना कम से कम रिकॉर्ड होता है।
A beautiful collage of saffron.
वीडियो बनाना वही
I request Mr. Nikhil Agarwal and Aparna Agarwal to come for the light night.
पापा झंडा भी लगा है।
Ladies and gentlemen, I request all of the audience present here to kindly stand in honor of our chief guest, Lieutenant Colonel Vineet Devdas, as he is entering the school premises. Our chief guest, Lieutenant Colonel Vineet Devdas, is being escorted to the venue with a band performance and by the head boy, head girl, house captain dressed as army officers. Let us all welcome him with a huge round of applause. Once again, I'll request to welcome him with a huge round of applause.